Hey guys, so today I've got a quick video on our 2012 Ford Focus. The problem is the AC stops working. Second time customer brought it in, first time we drove it, no problems at all. Second time we drove it for almost like 30-40 minutes. So it's not just that the AC stops cooling, it actually starts throwing in hot air. Scanned the body control module, HVAC control module. HVAC control module did have a fault code in there, which was B as in Bravo 1-Alpha-61 for the in-cabin temperature sensor fault. On this car, it's a pretty simple fix. I tried to clear the code would not even clear, it was solid on. That means the sensor had a short in there. So we're gonna go on the driver's side, on the right side of the steering column, right over here. We're gonna pull this right over here. Sensor, right, this one. So take it out. You see this connector over here? We're gonna pull it. So pull it. Need two hands, but there we go. That's it. Just this part right over here. It's the port number. There's a small fan inside and the humidity and the in temperature in there. The part is available from Ford, or you can get it from your. This is the part number. No programming is needed. It's very easy, simple plug and play. In some cars, the AC might not work at all. Some cars, it might be intermittent. So unfortunately, sometimes you will need a scan tool to check the codes, or this sensor wasn't that expensive. It was like 55 bucks. So if you don't want to pay outside for a diagnostic, it's definitely well worth a try. It takes a minute to put it on. I'm gonna put it down and put the connector one time. I don't want to damage the pins. There we go. So you got the connector in. It goes in this spot right over here. There we go. Just push it in. Sorry, locks in place. Put this back together. Make sure everything is tight. Now I'm gonna turn the ignition on. Put the one scanner. There's this fault code in there. Before it was not clearing at all. You clear it, it comes on right away. Now I'm gonna turn the ignition off. Take the key out. 5 seconds. Turn this upside down. Turn the ignition back on. No fault codes. So before it was not letting me clear it, now I can clear it. I'm gonna start the vehicle, turn the AC. Try to not put it at the lowest setting. Try to put it like a couple of degrees above. Helps with the diagnostics, because the first time I drove it, I had the AC on completely cold and it kept on working. As soon as I put it to like 63, 64, after driving for like 5 minutes, the temperature, I got 2 gauges hooked up over here. Temperature went up to 80. So just a quick, simple video. Hopefully helps somebody who needs help with this kind of problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.